Ever wondered if your financial data, the nitty-gritty details of your spending and saving, is truly in your hands when you use budgeting apps? Specifically, have you ever asked yourself, does Pocketguard use open banking? It's a question that gets at the heart of modern personal finance management. We're increasingly relying on apps to help us track our money, set budgets, and even find ways to save. But how do these apps connect to our banks? Is it through old-school methods, or are they tapping into the cutting-edge technology of open banking? Understanding this isn't just about technical curiosity, it's about data security, privacy, and how much control you truly have over your financial information. For many years, the way budgeting apps connected to your bank accounts was often through something called screen scraping. Imagine a digital robot logging into your bank account using your credentials, then literally reading the information off the screen. While it worked, it had its downsides. Your credentials were being handled by a third party, and any changes to your bank's website design could break the connection, leading to frustrating delays and errors. It wasn't the most secure or efficient method, and it certainly didn't offer the kind of granular control that users or banks might desire. Then came open banking. This is a revolutionary concept, born out of regulatory initiatives, primarily in the UK and Europe, but rapidly gaining traction globally. In essence, open banking allows you to securely share your financial data with third-party providers, like budgeting apps, directly from your bank, with your explicit consent. Instead of screen scraping, it uses secure application programming interfaces, APIs. Think of APIs as a set of standardized, secure digital doorways that allow different software systems to talk to each other directly, without revealing your login details to the third party. This means greater security, more reliable connections, and importantly, more control for you. You decide what data is shared, for how long, and with whom. So, back to Pocketguard. Given the shift towards more secure and user-centric data sharing, where does Pocketguard stand? The short answer is yes, Pocketguard does leverage open banking and similar secure API connections. Like many reputable budgeting apps today, Pocketguard has transitioned away from less secure methods and now primarily relies on direct, secure connections to financial institutions. This is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it significantly enhances the security of your financial data. Your bank login credentials are never stored by Pocketguard. Instead, you grant permission for Pocketguard to access specific types of data through a secure, encrypted connection established directly between your bank and the app. Secondly, it provides a much more reliable and consistent experience. Because these are direct API connections, they are less prone to breaking due to website changes, ensuring that your financial data is updated accurately and promptly. This translates to a more fluid and less frustrating budgeting experience for you. Thirdly, and perhaps most importantly from a user perspective, it empowers you with more control. You are actively consenting to the data sharing, and you can often revoke that consent at any time directly through your bank or the app itself. This transparency and control are fundamental tenets of the open banking philosophy. It's important to remember that while the term open banking originated in specific regulatory environments, the underlying principle of secure, API-driven data sharing is becoming the industry standard worldwide. So, whether it's explicitly called open banking or a similar secure data aggregation method, the key takeaway is that Pocketguard prioritizes secure, consent-based connections to your financial institutions, moving far beyond the days of screen scraping. This commitment to modern, secure data practices is vital for building trust and ensuring the long-term viability of personal finance management tools. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.